In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with the USAA mobile app in a straightforward step-by-step way. Preparing yourself with the knowledge to manage your finances from your mobile device is not only convenient but essential in today's fast-paced world. So let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and search for USAA Mobile online. This will lead you to the USAA website, which is home to all your banking and membership needs. Once you've arrived at the USAA homepage, the next step is to find and click on the Banking section. The Banking section is your gateway to all the financial services USAA has to offer. Clicking here will direct you to a suite of financial products and services tailored to fit your banking requirements. Now that you're in the Banking section, navigate to the Membership area. USAA membership is exclusive, typically designed for military personnel and their families, so you'll want to make sure you meet their criteria. Membership is key as it unlocks the full access to USAA's financial tools and resources, including their mobile banking services. In the membership area, you will find detailed information about the benefits and the process of becoming a member if you're not already one. Next, you should locate the option to apply for a checking account. This is often highlighted on the website, given its importance. Applying for a checking account is a straightforward process on USAA, requiring you to provide various personal details. It's wise to have your identification details handy, like social security number, and ensure all the information you enter is accurate for a seamless setup experience. After indicating that you'd like to apply for a checking account, you'll be prompted to click on the Get Started button. This initiates the application process. Be prepared to fill out your personal information and submit it for validation. The application process is designed to be user-friendly, with guidance provided at each step. Don't hesitate to reach out to USA's customer support if any questions arise during the application process. Their support team is noted for being responsive and thorough. Once you've completed the application process and set up your checking account, you should download the USAA mobile app from your app store. The app will provide you direct access to your account, allowing seamless and secure transactions. Remember to explore the app's features, from mobile check deposit to viewing your account summary. That's it for our tutorial on setting up online banking with USAA Mobile. Following these steps will ensure that you have a comprehensive, efficient, and convenient banking experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please be sure to subscribe for more useful